I'm trying to figure out why they would have sent me this letter.
Well, it looks like here that there's been multiple complaints because your vehicle is so big. If we continue to get complaints, you will be facing up to a $200 fine. I mean, if the truck is too big to fit in the parking spot, then maybe you should consider selling it.
Boys have on their shirts today.
Yo, by accident.
Let's see it.
On purpose, bro.
Let's see it. Titty pocket.
Yes.
Titty pocket. Love it.
Dude, for real, we just
Love
like,
it.
left our place this morning and I was like, yo, nice shirt, bro. We both got on the same thing.
Nice shirt, bro. If this video gets 100 likes, 100 likes, you will start posting once a week.
Of course that's gonna get 100 likes.
On YouTube. 100 likes. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Look, I'm serious. Look at all the freaking cars that they have accumulated in here. Look, we got Cody's car. We got whoever's project car over there.
I gave that to Sean.
We got Zach's beautiful car right here. We got a BMW over there I don't know whose that is.
Breeze.
We got something that doesn't have an engine over there. Sean's new drift car. And then another one with no engine over there.
We're about to get that motor in tonight. That thing is even tonight.
Oh, that motor's going in tonight?
Yep.
Look, you got all these cool projects, all this cool stuff going on all the time.
Right?
You guys need to start filming content.
All right, let's see them 100 likes.
100 likes.
Yes.
Have your challenge. Let's go.
Got it.
You guys, I woke up this morning and I had just a little bit of enthusiasm, I guess we should say, about this parking letter that I got. And I think the only thing that needs to be done is I need to call this lady today. And am I going out of my way to be a little over the top for the video? Absolutely. But we're gonna do it anyway. James gonna get this work today. I always let you go first too.
You wouldn't let me play goddamn WWE.
Woo!
I'm not in the goddamn mood, Alexander. Let me move.
Butters my goddamn biscuits.
This shit is gonna butter my biscuits.
Butters my goddamn. Ah! No!
Get over here, Alex! Ah!
Oh no! Oh no! I'm so no. He's going. All right, so I tried to call them at lunch and it didn't really work out too well. I got a little bit busy, but I've got the lady for the HOA. I've got her number right here, so we're gonna give her a call and we are going to see if we can get somebody on the phone from the HOA and ask them about this ticket. I'm like nervous right now.
Your call has been forwarded.
Again. Try it again. I'm willing to go 3 times.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic.
Now I'm not sure if this is her personal number or if it's a work number, but I don't know. Try this one more time.
Hello?
Hey, is this Amy?
It is?
Hey, my name is Alex. I live in so I guess I don't really know where to start with this. I live in the neighborhood. I guess that you're the president of the HOA, and I'd gotten a parking violation letter the other day, and I just kind of had some questions. They had put in your name and number down as somebody I could call to kind of ask some questions if I needed to. Do you have a couple minutes?
I I do. What is your question?
So I had gotten a letter in the mail the other day. It's a parking violation letter. There isn't much information except for it does list parking of any vehicle in the street, sidewalk, curb, or grass is prohibited. I don't ever park in the grass or the curb or the sidewalk, even though the sidewalk's at the front of my house. I do park in the street, so I'm assuming that's where it's coming from. I'm trying to figure out why they would have sent me this letter just at all, if you have any information.
Well, they would have sent you the letter if there was any complaints because of your vehicle being parked in the street.
Okay. I see a lot of other vehicles that are parked in the street. So and obviously I know you're not allowed to tell me if other people got violation letters or not, but I don't know if I'm assuming they keep records of this kind of stuff. They have my license plate number and stuff. So is there any notes or anything associated with the complaint? I know you're not allowed to tell me who it was, because that would definitely be
Well, let me look up your information real quick.
And my name was Alex, last name Rubus. I live in
Okay. Well, it looks like here that there's been multiple complaints because your vehicle is so big.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what's in the notes.
That's I'm sorry for laughing. That just like I don't even know, like, so I'm not allowed to park in the street because my truck is too big. That's kind of what they're saying?
Yes, sir. It's actually impeding other traffic from being able to travel through that street.
But the other people are able to park in the street because
well, their vehicle isn't quite as large as yours.
Okay. That was not what I was expecting. Okay. Because I literally, I don't even know what to say. That's so crazy. And I know you're not allowed to tell me who that was. That, I guess if you said it was multiple people. I thought this whole time that we were allowed to park in the street during the day.
You can actually find that in your HOA agreement in Section B.
Parking in the street. Okay.
Yes,
hopefully this one's just a warning. There won't be any kind of addition onto my like rent this month or anything?
No, sir. This is just a warning. But if we continue to get complaints, then you will be facing up to a $200 fine for a violation.
That's okay. So I mean, part of my, dang. Okay. That's obviously that's not your. My parking arrangements aren't your problem. So are there any times in particular that I can park in the street? Like, even if it's just for 15 minutes or?
Does your vehicle not fit in your driveway?
So I'm really not allowed. My truck is too big to park in the driveway, and my girlfriend's Tahoe can barely fit in the garage. So is there any way that I can get like a pass or something to park on the street?
No, sir. If we did that, then we'd have to do that for everybody.
I'm being serious. My truck is too big to park in the drive. I mean, I park in the driveway at night, but my truck is. I don't want to park in the driveway if I'm going to leave in 5 minutes.
I mean, if the truck is too big to fit in the parking spot, then maybe you should consider selling it.
Obviously, this conversation is going nowhere. So I guess that's all I need. Thank you so much for your time today.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, that's the running light.
Dude,
Give you guys a little bit of a better look at night.
those are clean as fuck.
They turned out pretty good. Again, huge shout out to Alpha Rex USA. Absolutely love it. I just need to get rid of that damn third brake light now. I don't know. I might just smoke it. No, it seems like
they sell cheap ones on
that seems like the easiest thing to do is just smoke it. Or yeah, they sell them for like 30 bucks on Amazon. Just swap it out. Enough about the headlights. So I called the HOA lady and she pretty much told me off without actually saying that. She was kind of rude though. She was kind of rude. She was kind of rude, wasn't she? Comment below if you guys think she was rude. But she pretty much told me it doesn't matter if other people park on the street. Your truck's too big to park on the street and you should sell your truck, is kind of what she said. She wasn't very nice. She wasn't very, she didn't play along very well. So, I mean, I'm genuinely like, I don't think I should get fined or anything for parking on the street, especially when other people park on the street. But I just, like I said, we're going to war with Amy from HOA. The next time, she did say I will get fined next time. So I can't even like park during the day anymore. So I don't know what the f I'm gonna do. It's just, these are difficult times to be wide, that wide bow tie, difficult times in the kingdom. So I don't know what we're gonna do.
That means you gotta put some flakes on it.
It means I gotta put some snowflakes on it. Maybe they won't, yeah, maybe they won't get mad at me if I put some snowflakes on it. Amy, if you're watching this, can I put some snowflakes on the truck? Will you be upset if I put snowflakes on the truck? Let me know. Comment below, Amy. Are you watching this? Cause hey, come on, Amy. What do I gotta do? Amy, come on now. Do I need to? Let me know. Let me know. I don't want to pay you $200. I will if I have to though. Try me. What do I get for the $200 though? Do I get something special? Do I get like
the fine is.
$200? Yeah.
For parking on the street.
For parking on the street.
That's stupid.
What do I get for that $200? What the? What the hell?
Damn, where did he come
Oh shit! What's that line from? What's the line from that movie? I think he broke his freaking neck.
What?
What's the line? Was it The Longest Yard? I think he broke his freaking neck.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Hey, whoever that was, done.
That's what I'm talking about.